In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Smartsheet Timeline View if you want a clean, visual way to see how your work unfolds over time. Timeline View is a great option in Smartsheet. It takes the dates in your sheet and turns them into an easy-to-read horizontal timeline so you can spot overlaps, gaps, and upcoming milestones at a glance. Start by heading to Smartsheet in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Click Browse. This opens your folders, workspaces, and any sheets you have access to. Using Browse makes it simple to find the exact project you want to visualize, especially if you organize work by workspace or folder. Open the sheet you want to use. Timeline View uses the dates stored in your sheet, so it works best when your tasks have start and end date columns, or at least a date range that Smartsheet can recognize. If your items are set up that way, each one will appear as a bar on the timeline, sized and positioned according to those dates. If you open a sheet and later don't see anything in timeline, it usually means the date fields are missing or empty. With your sheet open, glance to the left side again for the View section. This is your view switcher, where you can move between grid, Gantt, card, and other perspectives. Click the drop-down in the View section to reveal all available views. Choose Timeline. Your sheet instantly transforms into a time-based layout. You'll see a horizontal date scale across the top and your items plotted below as bars. The length of each bar reflects its duration, and its position shows when it starts and ends. This makes it easy to spot potential conflicts, identify blocks of free time for future work, and confirm that dependencies won't collide. A few tips to work more efficiently here. If your timeline looks too crowded or too sparse, adjust the zoom controls to focus on days, weeks, or months. If you manage a lot of items, try filtering your sheet first. Timeline respects your filters so you can zero in on a specific team, phase, or priority. Keep your item names concise and consistent so labels are easy to scan. And remember, any updates you make to dates in the sheet will immediately reflect in timeline, so it stays accurate as plans change. That's all it takes. Browse to your sheet, open it, switch the view, and select timeline. With those simple steps, you'll have a clear visual map of your schedule that's effortless to share and understand.